For the tail lights, we only have to remove these two 10mm, and then there's 3 clips, one here, and one at the side. Okay. Okay, so it uses two push-in sockets here and one clip over here. So what you do is just pull it this direction, and wiggle it up and down, and it will dislodge from this. Seems a bit dirty. Let's give it a clean also. Okay, and to change the two lights over here is actually quite simple. One is actually underneath here. Sorry, underneath here. This uses a T10. Okay, it uses a T10, and then the other one will be the one that's over here. Okay. Okay, so this is a bit tougher to open, but you turn it anti-clockwise to open it, and you have access to the bulb. Which uses the big size ones like this, and this is a E4 bulb. Right, the bigger size ones. Make sure it's orange tinted.